Hi, Billy Trimbo here with the Cisco TAC Applications team. In this video, I'm going to step through how to collect the application logs for your Webex client locally on the user's machine. The Webex client application will allow you to send logs directly to the Webex cloud. This is easily done from the Help menu, as you can see here. However, this requires access and permissions to the cloud server to retrieve the logs, and it also lacks the calling environment data that must be collected locally anyway. So let me show you another way to collect the logs that are immediately accessible, compresses everything to one file, and includes all that a Cisco engineer would need. Use the Help menu as we did before to send the logs to the cloud, but instead choose the Health Checker option. Health Checker will open a window displaying the current connectivity status of the client. At the bottom, there's an option labeled See More in Diagnostics. Clicking Diagnostics here will take us down the path to collecting the local log files. However, it is worth noting that the Reset option to the left can be selected to effectively reset the client information and provide a fresh set of logs. So, if directed or desired, first choose to reset the client's settings and logs. Once that has been completed, reproduce the issue, and then we can select the Diagnostics option here. The Diagnostics window provides further details for client connectivity and information. Next, click the Export All Data button. A final window prompts us to export the diagnostic data. First, click the option to Save Problem Report Files, and then click Export. We are then asked to select the folder where the Webex files can be exported. After selecting the folder, Webex exports all data files, including the calling environment data, into one compressed zip file. We can now close all of the windows and search for the created file. Here's the file labeled Webex Diagnostic Logs and the date of the collection. Inside, we can see the calling environment data is included along with logs and diagnostic information. The file can be provided to a Cisco engineer for problem resolution. I hope this video is helpful and that you'll look for more TAC videos in the future. Thanks for watching.